This is the first aid only SmartCompliance Cabinet. This is a typical workplace cabinet. Of course, there's the ANSI A and ANSI B standard. This meets the ANSI B standard, which is the more robust of the two standards. A, of course, would be for like an office environment. The ANSI B would be for a manufacturing type environment. This may meet your needs. We have other options as well, such as trauma bags, smaller cabinets, vehicle kits, depending on what your needs might be. But this is what we typically place in a workplace environment with 25 or more people. First thing you'll notice is that all of the product is nicely organized. That's due to the fact that each of these boxes fits into a grid that is specific to that particular item. It has two advantages. It keeps things nicely organized. Also, because they're locked in place, it keeps items from walking away through pilferage. The other aspect that's unique is that it makes for easy reordering. You'll notice that in each box there is a yellow smart tab, and these smart tabs are designed to pop up as you work through the product. About 2/3 of the way through the product, you'll come to the smart tab indicating it's time to reorder. The product information is on the smart tab. You can simply use the FC safety shield, tap that during your inspection process, go to the reorder section, and then you'll notice that each of these boxes are color-coded with a stripe here. This key indicates what category that is, whether it's a bandage or an antiseptic. You go into that section and you look for this number, and then you just simply select the quantity of products that you wish to reorder. There are essentially 5 categories within the ANSI standard that we look at. We have major and minor injuries. We have things like bandages and gauze and compress within that particular segment. You have items here to treat burns that are indicated with the red color code. You also have PPE items that are indicated with an orange color code. Bandages, of course, are yellow. And then you have ophthalmic products like eye wash, eye pads, etc., that are indicated with a green. And then you have your antiseptics, which are indicated with a blue color code. In addition to that, you have comfort items such as tablets. These are optional items. They do meet the ANSI standard and OSHA standards in that they are individually packaged. They have expiration dates on that packaging, and they do not cause drowsiness. The door side, in the pocket, you have items like hemostatic dressings. You also have your instruments. You have your sprays and eye wash. You have a splint. You have additional trauma items like compress dressing, gauze pads, and various sizes, butterfly bandages. Again, all of these are equipped with the smart tabs so that when it comes time to reorder, you just simply look at the yellow card that indicates the product number, and you would select from within the FC safety shield the quantity that you would like.